Okay, to find and use a paragraph style that you used before, go to Create New. This will bring up your templates that you've made before. Pick the one you want. You start with your new, fresh template. Open up your files, pick your Word file that you want to import, drag it over. It will put it in your file. Then in order to make it into the paragraph style that you wanted to use or you have used on something else, go to Paragraph Styles, click the lines, go up to Load Paragraph Styles. It will bring up your files you've made before. Pick the one that has the style you want to use. It will list the ones that are listed with it. Pick the one you want, the one you already made. Click OK. This will put the paragraph style in your list. Go over to the Type tool. Make sure it's selected. Select somewhere in your text. Then select all the text. I use Control A. Select the paragraph style you brought over, and it will automatically change it. Then you can click anywhere to unselect it, and you're all done.